In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp with consulting clients. By the end, you'll have a simple, repeatable structure that keeps your client work tidy and easy to manage. Start by opening your ClickUp account. If you're brand new, sign up and log in. If you already use ClickUp, just head straight into your workspace so we can build this out together. Think of ClickUp as a hierarchy. Spaces at the top, then folders, then lists, and finally tasks. We'll use that structure to mirror how a consulting business actually runs. Next, click the plus icon to create a new space. This is your home base for all consulting work, separate from anything else you do. Give it a moment to load the setup screen. You'll see options that help you tailor the space, but don't worry about getting everything perfect right now. The important part is getting the framework in place. When you're prompted to name it, type consulting business. A clear name makes it easy to find and keeps your workspace organized, especially as your team and client roster grow. If there are options for a color or icon, pick something that stands out so you can spot this space quickly in your sidebar. Once your space is added, create a folder for each client. This keeps all their work, files, and notes in one container. For example, you might have a folder called Client A, another called Client B, and so on. This approach makes it simple to onboard new clients and scale because every client gets the same consistent structure. Inside each client folder, add lists for projects. Think of a list as a single engagement or initiative, like onboarding, strategy phase, or monthly retainer. Clear list names help you and anyone on your team instantly understand what's happening for that client. You can also add brief descriptions to set context, timelines, or success criteria. Within each list, create tasks for the actual work. Write short action-focused titles and include a description so nothing gets lost. Add due dates to keep timelines honest, attach files or links your team needs, and use comments to capture decisions and next steps. If you already know the stages your work goes through, customize the statuses so they match your process, like planning, in progress, review, and done. You can also adjust priorities, add tags, or include simple checklists to make handoff smooth. From here, customize everything to fit your workflow. Tweak views between list and board to match how you like to see work, and save what works as a template so every new client starts with the same clean setup. That's it, your consulting clients organized, clear, and ready to go in ClickUp.